Here we go, guys. Just a quick video on gold and silver. But first, we're going to take a look at the DXY, the US dollar currency index, and show you what's currently happened with the dollar. And as you can see, this is the weekly chart, by the way, and each candle here is 1 week of price action. So, yeah, we've had kind of a waterfall effect here to the downside on the dollar. However, we're coming into a couple of zones, a couple of areas that could provide at least near term some support and maybe an oversold bounce on the dollar. As you can see, we have a pivot here, and basically pivots are just 180s. We were coming down, and then the green candle provided support, and then we reversed and bounced there. And then as you see at the top, in a couple of locations, we were moving to the upside, obviously with green candles, and then the red candles started forming and initiated the resistance zones, and then we came back down. Also, this green dash line here is a measured move, and in the course below, which right now is 50% off, shows you how to use this measured move and a lot of other techniques. But anyway, as you can see here, markets a lot of times will reverse in this M formation. In other words, you have a push to the upside and we make a high, we pull back, into support, and then many times we'll make a lower high, and then as soon as the most important part, as soon as we take out that low pivot here, this previous support, then we waterfall or cascade down to the next level, wherever the bulls, buyers start coming back in. But you can also use specific measured moves to figure that out before price gets there. Okay, now that's the weekly. This is a daily, and this is why gold and silver, well, not the only reason, but it's one of the factors why gold and silver, are pulling back some today, is that we're on a time count, and then we're getting, at least at this point, we have to wait until it closes to see if we still close up here. But we're putting in basically a bullish engulfing candle. It could be a little bit bigger here, but we'll see how we close at the end of the trading day. So we could get, bottom line, we could get, another day or two reversal here, which would put pressure to the downside on gold and silver. And let's go ahead and get into that. Gold, we were in this rising wedge formation, and not all the time, but we like to use percentages and odds in our favor. And the higher the odds, higher percentage situation that we're in regarding location, and then the event that causes either the upside or the downside to come into the market is what we play on. Okay, as you can see, we went short here at the gold arrow as we hit this uptrend line, and we're expecting either sideways and down or sideways and up. So we're in the sideways consolidation zone now, and if we drop through this blue dash line currently, it's support, and if we drop through it, then we'll add to our position. Okay, we don't ever go all in on a position if we think the market's going to go up, nor do we go pull everything out if we think the market's going to continue to go the opposite way. We slowly scale in and scale out. That way, we keep the momentum on our side. Let's go to silver real quickly. And as you can see here, we had our go-to short signal at this measured move, this red dash line. And then today we went short there. Down here we have another measured move. Okay, all that's explained in the course below. But we have our 200 down here, but we're expecting we'll pull back into this 20. And then that's kind of the secret here. You're under the 20, you get above the 20, and you come down into the 20, and that 20 holds, and you get a nice green, bullish engulfing, what we call clearing takeout candle. It clears and takes out everything to the left, then that puts the odds, percentages a whole lot more, very heavily on your side for more, upside in the market. Doesn't matter if it's gold, silver, crypto, stocks, it all works the same. That's why, we love our system. You don't have to learn a system for metals. You don't have to learn a separate system for crypto. You don't have to learn a separate system for stocks. What we do and how we do it is applicable, for all those assets and on different timelines as well. But anyway, I very much appreciate you watching, and we will see you on the charts.